Hello and welcome to KC Plus. Today I will talk about top 5 IAM topics for 2019, where to put your focus on in 2019. There are a lot of topics which we have to look at when being responsible for identity and access management, but I believe there are some specific areas which will be of primary relevance in 2019. The one I'd like to start with is comprehensive privileged access management. Something we need everywhere for every application, etc. And the questions you need to look at from my point of view are, do you already have that type of solution in place? If not, it's latest time to start. Is it a solution which really looks at all types of privileged access, from the technical or functional user accounts to the roots to the business users? So it's nothing which is only whatever the Unix root or the Windows admin or a local admin account on a Windows machine. It's really something which should cover every type of privileged account. And it should go beyond shared account password management, looking at session monitoring, session recording, session analysis, up to detecting anomalies. So privileged threat analytics or privileged behavior analytics is becoming more and more important, and that should be a hot topic for you in 2019. It also should work for every type of service, for cloud, and it should be fully integrated. And it also should cover your DevOps environments across the entire CI/CD lifecycle. That is my topic number one. My topic number two is look at getting a grip on access from everyone to everywhere. So can every of your users, be it an employee, a consumer, a customer, access all your services regardless of where they are running, as long as he's entitled to use these services, across cloud and on-premises, using all kinds of devices and services? And do you have the ability to manage all that access centrally based on central policies, on a central approach? That is another topic you should address in 2019. Build an environment which allows you to have a centralized management of all types of access, which enables all types of users. Sort of your central identity service, your access service, your identity broker, whichever name you want to use. My topic number three, and this is closely related to that, is think outside in, not inside out. Still, a lot of organizations are taking an approach where they say, okay, I need a stronger security, so all my users have to use that type of token or that type of authentication, whichever you want to use, but they are mandating the users to do what they want. I think we need to change it. So we need to look at enabling everyone, the employee, the partner, customer, consumer, to use the authentication they prefer. We need to enable that they can rely on their IDP, their identity provider of choice. They can bring their own identity. And we also need to look at what to do with all these public IDPs. So we see a massive growth in the public IDPs. So in Germany, we have VeryMe, we have NetID, we have many others. We have ID4Me, we have Nordic Bank ID, we have so many initiatives there, not even to mention the blockchain ID, SSI stuff which is going on. We need to be able to work with external identity providers. And all this needs to be ready for privacy by design, to allow the customer control about his data, because GDPR, etc., they are here to stay, and we need to serve this. My item number 5, rethink access management, access reviews. I think I don't know a single organization worldwide which is really happy with the way access reviews are done today. We need to do it better, and that should be a key initiative for 2019. So first thing is run this thing regular. So if you don't do it yet, start enabling doing a consistent access management. So one tool, one place to get to request access, to approve access for all your systems, and access reviews. Minimize the efforts, use automation and policy wherever applicable. So build on the attributes, build on the information you have about users to automate access entitlements, and then you also reduce access review effort, because What comes in through a policy, you only need to verify, to review the policy, not the resulting access. Also look at a risk-based approach. Focus on the things which are really the high-risk items, and look at how you can leverage the potential of AI for IAM. And this is particularly interesting for the area of access review, because here AI can help you in identifying really the concrete risks, the high-risk items, in focusing in your review on the really critical aspects. That is what really helps you. And finally, my topic number 5 for 2019 is add identity and access management for analytics and business intelligence. This is a widely unserved area. So few organizations really have a grip on what happens with all that big data and what happens with the combination that can take place in your analytics solutions. So how do you control that? Are you granular enough to really control which combinations are allowed, which access is allowed, which results are maybe more critical than the data they are derived from has been? You need an identity and access management for that field. This is still a relatively new area, not many solutions, but things are happening, there are things going forward, and you should really take this as a key initiative, because sooner or later this will become a major topic for the auditors as well. So having an SOD enforced across these environments, having access reviews in place is super important. These were my recommendations, my perspectives on what are the key topics, the 5 top items in identity and access management for 2019, delivered by Kuppinger and KC+, the future of information security today. Thank you.